Hi everyone, this is Lu again. If you have a QCAT hearing coming up and it is for a failure to leave application where your tenant is in arrears and you've breached them and you've asked them to vacate and they haven't, and you've never been to QCAT, in this video I am going to guide you through the process of going through this situation. On the day of your QCAT hearing, you need to make sure that you arrive at least 15-20 minutes before. Go to the front and there's a register there. Tick your name off. If there is an attendant there, then let them tick your name off. There will already be a room allocated to you, so you just go to the front of that room and just wait until your case is being heard. At the time that your case is being heard, a clerk will come out and call for attendees. And so all you have to do is go into the room and take a seat at the table that has been provided. Right? If your tenants don't show up, it doesn't matter. Just go in there and do your own thing. Once the hearing has started, the adjudicator or member is going to ask you to state who you are and what your position is. So you just need to state that your name and that you are the owner of the property. If the tenant is there, they will ask them to do exactly the same. Then, because you are the applicant in this instance, the member is going to ask you to state what you want in the outcome. Because you are seeking a termination, you are just going to state that you are seeking a termination and warrant of possession for failure to leave under Section 293. From there, the member is going to peruse your documentation and evidence. All right, they are going to make sure that everything is in order, that you have issued the right notice to remedy breach in a timely manner, and you've provided evidence of that service, that you have issued them the notice to leave in a timely and compliant manner with the legislation, and you have provided evidence of that service. You have also attached all your evidences to your claim, such as your ledger and your leases, and if you have everything in order, this is very straightforward, the member is going to make an immediate decision. Now, once this is completed, it takes about 5-10 minutes if everything goes fine. The member is going to email you a copy of the court order. Okay, so this is a termination order. By the same token, they will send a warrant of possession over to the police station closest to your investment property. And the purpose of that warrant possession, obviously, is the secondary stage where your tenants fail to comply with the court order for termination. Right, so you make sure that if you get to that stage, you book a locksmith for the day that the police comes along and you change the locks. Now, attending QCAT can sound very intimidating, but once you understand this process, you have to just understand it is very structured and it is very professional. All you have to do is go in prepared, speak clearly, and stick to the facts. Make sure you have your evidence and your requests for the order, and that's it. Now, don't forget to follow me for more landlord tips that apply to all Queensland, but also for a whole heap of other things that is going to make investing in property so much safer and smarter. Have a lovely day, everybody, and look forward to the next videos with you.